So the next topic regarding rate and quantity in Excel. So this is the one kind of database we are taking. So the table consisting of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fields. So the first field is serial number, item name, rate, quantity, total, discount and balance. So the intersection of rows and column we are taking as a cell in a Excel sheet. So the table consisting of these kind of 7 fields. So each row there is a different products and the product consisting of a different rates. See here the items are milk, sugar, pista and butter. So different products have a different rates. So milk price, actual price is 25 rupees. So we want 2 liters of milk packets, that is 25 into 2 liters, 25 into 2 we will get the total as a 50, and sugar 30 rupees per kg. So we want 4 kgs of sugar. So 30 into 4 120 rupees, and pista 500 rupees per kg. So we want 2 kgs of pista, 500 into 2 1000 rupees, and butter 400 rupees per kg. So 400 into 1 kg 400 rupees. So every product here we are assuming as a 5% discount. So how can we get the balance here? See here, total in Excel every formula should be starts with equal to, total is equals to rate into quantity. Here we are calculating the total, 25 into 2 we will get the 50. So there is no need of calculating the every cell, just calculate the first cell, remaining cell you just drag the remaining cell, we will get automatically. And discount is equals to total into 5% discount. So every product we are taking the discount as a 5%. The discount will be depending upon the product availability and market dependencies. So discount is equals to total into 5% discount, we will get the discount here. Next, how we can get the balance? So by subtracting the total and discount we will get the balance. So after getting the balance, the person who are buying the products from the dealer, he have to pay the balance amount to market dealer. So just calculate the first cell. So after getting the balance you just drag the remaining cell, we will get the automatically. So how can we calculate the balance amount? Is equals to sum. So first column to last column, we will first column to last column, you just click on the first column to last column, we will get the sum. So he have to pay the balance amount to the market dealer. So this is about the rate and quantity. So these are the 3 formulas we have to remember. Total is equals to rate into quantity, discount is equals to total into discount, balance is equals to, by subtracting the total and discount we will get the balance amount. So this is about the rate and quantity. Thank you.